The all-black national convention was absolute fire. Me and Kyle got down a day early so we could do a little sightseeing. I'd never been to Chicago before, so I just wanted to get a little feel of the town. And it was truly amazing. First, we did this flyover, which was so cool. It was like a simulator that took us through Chicago. You kind of went the aerial view, and it was so dope. Oh my God. We actually got sick, but we were able to smell the smell, feel the feels, and all that good stuff. That was fun. It was a treat. Day one. Oh my God, I connected with my Net 7 sisters. When I tell you, these women blessed my soul. And then baby sis, Madam Prez wrote her first book, and I was the first one to buy it and the first one to get an autographed copy. And they had all kind of cute stuff. It's so cute. So the first night they asked me to host the B1 Talks. Y'all, all I was supposed to do was introduce the people. But give me a mic and magic happened. I just can't control myself.
Right. So here's what I need you to do. When you are at this conference, it is so important that you connect with people. You're going to learn things. But I'm always intentional about that. Someone here is going to change my life in some way. They can be the person on stage. They can be somebody in the bathroom. They can be somebody in the hall. I used to go to the bar. Me and my girlfriends used to go to the bar. We had money. Hope somebody buys a drink. Somebody was going to change our life.
And I'm always going to crack a few jokes. Day two. I was on the real estate panel, and my mentor, Dr. George Frazier, was the moderator.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so this is what I do. Strategy is important.
That night we had the B1 ball. So much fun. And look, my fly Nubian sisters showed up and showed out. Y'all, I've never seen some of them before in real life. And I'm thinking, since I have such a big personality, they're probably my height or smaller. When I met these giants in person, my feelings were hurt. And look, my sis, Dr. Lene Javette, got Business of the Year. And it is always good to meet up with my students. This is the Honorable Marcus Garvey's niece, who's an attorney, who's taking one of my classes. And listen, when the percolator came on, one of my students' daughters from the DMV got on the dance floor and started getting it. And then Dr. Boyce tried to get in on it too. Look at him. Go, Dr. B. Go, Dr. B. Madam Prez getting that thing in too. And look, this was so cute. Dr. Boyce and Dr. Alicia had a little dance routine they put together. They was getting jiggy with it. And I got to get on 360 everywhere I go. Like my homie Warren G said, I had to do it. And these are a couple of my Net 7 collective sisters. Day 3, I was on the Queens panel.
The wildest queen that I have. She is passionate.
I mean, I wouldn't say I'm the wildest. I think I just curse the most. We had fun, but things got a little heated on the pedal with my baby sis, Madam Prez.
You guys need to go after what it is that you want.
I got a question, Constance. But you have, as a woman, you pursue a child.
I'm not going to pursue no man, Madam President. Let me tell you something. I will shoot myself before I shoot my shot at a Negro. I'm not going to do it.
Period.
I'm not going to do it.
And after that, I had an amazing breakout session where I taught some dope shit about credit. Then we had Spades Night, hosted by comedian Just Niche. Now let me tell you something. Spades is real serious business for black people. And if you can't play, you better sit your ass at the kiddie table. I got lucked up with a partner who got us set and reneged.
You cannot force me.
I damn near almost got thrown out the Spades party.
Thank you.
Then we had the after party. Then me, Just Niche, and Lioness Crown got to collaborating about some things we got coming down the pipe next year. Y'all stay tuned. Then they gave me a little parting gift, and I took my ass to the room and went to sleep. Now here I am, headed back to the DMV, but I had an absolute blast. Probably the best one I've been to in the 6 years that I've been going. Now listen, tickets are on sale, and as of today, they're half price. 2025 is going down next year in Atlanta. So you better get them ASAP.